Well, Timmy, it's time for the sex talk. You start off with your vagina and your penis. And what happens is the penis gets stimulated and penetrates the vagina. Now, during this moment of penetration, there's a lot of stimulation going on, Timmy, a lot of in and out. And after a peak moment of stimulation, the penis, having reached its full potential, releases its ejaculate. Here's the penis, we're ready to release your ejaculate. Over. This is Mike. We're just clear to release that. You could go on over. Over. Thank you, Mike. So we zoom in and we have the egg and we have the sperm which swims through the egg like zygote.